Just very basic, what is a will? Why should someone have a will drawn up?
We should have a will drawn up because it will set forth how you want to disperse your property upon your death. That way, you know, your loved ones will know what to do. They don't have the burden of trying to find out. You need to figure out what needs to be done for, you know, who you wanted to give what product, what item you had of your property to, you know, a loved one or, you know, to a family friend they may not have known about. If you don't put it in the will, then it can't be dispersed that way.
And is there a certain age or stage of your life, a certain amount of savings that you have, property that you own, that okay, now it's time I need to have a will?
There's no certain financial goal you have to be at in your life to do a will. You should do it, you know, once you reach the age of majority. You should set forth your will because you do have items that you want, that you should, you know, disperse to other people. And so as soon as you reach the age of majority, you may not think you have a lot of assets, but you have more than you think.
So what happens if you don't have a will? What happens to your house if you're in Alabama and you don't have a will drawn up?
Well, it depends on how the title is in your property. You know, that will first and foremost dictate how your property, your real property, is going to be dispersed. If you have it in joint tenancy, then the will won't have any effect on it. But if you, you know, have it as you're the sole owner, it will go through intestate succession if you don't have a will. So you need to have a will if you want, you know, to have you know, a child to have the house, not you know, another child. You need to be specific in your will what you want to have. But if you don't have one, the laws intestate will dictate it.